All right. We're about to drop some rhymes for y'all.
You know what? I need an instrumental with this. I got one just for you.
Bring it back.
Hi, my name is Krista Williams, and I'm the photographer and videographer.
Hi, my name is Victor Dominguez, and I'm the lab technician.
Hey, my name is Stephanie Ibarra, and I'm the maintenance person.
Hi, my name is Carl Williams, and I'm the supervisor.
We're doing our dissection over the starfish, and our teacher is Ms. Jeffrey in Block 1.
And today's date is May 21st, 2018.
Here's some rules for safety. Wear protective gear and keep your sleeves rolled up.
Keep your hair up.
It's important not to eat or drink during the lab.
Wear closed-toe shoes.
And no horseplay.
Okay, so you see this hole right here? It's this little indent here. Yeah, that's the mouth. There's little tubes right here that that suck things in. Those are considered tube plugs. And there's a little groove that goes in the middle. Yeah, that's the umbilical groove. Okay, let's flip it. Oh, by the way, this entire thing here, is an arm. Okay, so this circular piece right here in the middle that's holding the arms, that's considered the disc. The anus is right. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Anus is right here. Okay. The spines, these are the little spiky things, of course. That's kind of how you know. The tentacles are on the corner pieces. The madreporite is right here. And the skin gills, they're right here. There's a little really small holes. And yeah, that's it. Also, it weighs 176 grams.
I got this.
Okay.
Shut up, y'all. Starfish. We dissected the starfish. The parts of the starfish is labeled in the presentation. The starfish is labeled. The middle part of it is the anus. It's the anus. The anus is also connected to the mouth.
Show that to Ms. Jeffrey.